Hello and welcome to Get Data Solution. Today I'll discuss on top 5 AI tools YouTubers must use. So we'll discuss in today's topic. First of all, the purpose of these 5 AI tools is to increase your productivity and quality of your work. For whom this is for all YouTubers. What AI do for you or for YouTubers, it will do a number of functions to increase their productivity and the quality of their videos. Just to mention some of the uses, it can actually change text to quality video. It suggests video titles, suggests keyword to compare with other creators in your niche, and to text to podcast, changing text to podcast, compare keywords, report your achievement and notify, and many more. These are some of the purposes of these 5 AI tools I'm going to tell you now. So what are the top these AI tools? Just we look into each one in the next slides, and to get the detail of it, click the link in the description. And the first one is Pick3, and the second one is VIDQ. The third one is Google Trend. The fourth one is Flicky, and the fifth one is H Super Tools. So we'll look into each one of them. If you're new to this channel, Get Data Solution, please like and share this video. So the first one is Pick3, and in the Pick3 there is the front page of Pick3 page. So you can change script to video directly. You write the script, and then that will actually change to the video with auto-generating some pictures that actually more explain about the script. Then you can actually change article to video. You can edit video using the text, and you can use different voices which are already available, and visual to video. So these are some of the functions you'll get from the Pick3. If you want to use this Pick3 for your to increase your productivity, you can click on the link in the description. So VIDIQ will actually give you a number of functions. For example, the first one is it will help you to track your channel status. For example, you can track your views. You simply click here all times, or you can adjust by month or the last week. So it will give you a number of views, number of subscribers, watch time, retention, average percentage. The other is it will give you daily ideas, where you can actually observe the daily ideas and pick the one that actually suit your purpose. So that is also another purpose of this VIDIQ. Again, it's also help you to create keyword opportunities. Here it suggests you top keyword opportunities based on your niche, and that shows different search volumes. So you can use also for keyword opportunities and keyword search. Similarly, it will actually give you the status of your channel compared to your competitors. First of all, you will create the competitors just similar to your niche. For example, this is my channel where in the last 7 days, my channel has got 76% increment compared to the previous, and the first competitor is about 9.7%, second is 3.1%, and the last competitor is actually decreased. So this, you can actually use this also to compare your channel performance compared to others. Again, this time for the last 30 days, the performance is as indicated. My channel has got 6% increment compared to the previous. The first competitor about 39.9%, 24%, and 11%. So it will actually give you the status of your channel compared to other competitors. It will also gives you some of your achievements and send you congratulation messages when you achieve big achievement in terms of subscribers, for example, in this particular case, and also in terms of number of views you have achieved. It will actually give you the status, including the number of on which date you have achieved. So that is very important to track your channel performance. The third one is Google Trend. Google Trend, you can use it by just adding the words you want to compare here by just smashing this plus sign. And in this particular case, I have used the four words SQL, Microsoft, Power BI, and Tableau. As you can see, this in terms of the search volume, Microsoft Excel has actually a larger search volume compared to three others: SQL, Power BI, and Tableau. This is for the last 12 months. And you can actually change this duration into 1 month or 2 weeks or so on. You can actually see by country or worldwide, by the time period, by categories, and web search. Again, you can see the search volume by area and by country. In this particular case, for example, for the words I've selected, SQL, Microsoft Excel, Power BI, and Tableau. Israel, India, Romania, Poland, and Ukraine are leading. This blue is for SQL, and this red one is for Microsoft Excel. Again, this is the same report for 4 of the words I have selected: SQL, Microsoft Excel, Power BI, and Tableau. But this time is the duration is 30 days. So as you can see, the SQL is in the second, Microsoft Excel is in the first, and then Tableau, and then Power BI. The other is Flicky, the fourth AI tool that will actually boost your performance is Flicky. You can create files on the Flicky platform. Like for example, I have created some files with on these dates. You can create podcasts, you can create books. Here is the dates. I've created those files. If you want to create a new file, you simply click here, new file, then you will actually create the files. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and share this video to your networks. The fifth AI tool is Edge Super Tools. This will actually give you a number of options, but so far I have used for keyword tool, and that is to find keyword research, and you simply write your keyword here and get the volume of search. So you can actually adjust by country or by global, and then it will take this mark, and it will actually generate you the keyword search. Here from the result of the previous one. In this particular case, for dashboard, for the word dashboard, there is over 1 million monthly search volume. The paid competition is 4, and CPC is 0.11, and the trend is somehow that's actually somehow regular. It will also generate you some related keywords. For example, in this particular case, dashboard accessories, dashboard data, dashboard admin, and so on. And the volume is here indicated, and the paid competition is also indicated here. So this is very important. These are very important tools any YouTubers should use. I hope you have got something from today's video, and if you like the video, please subscribe and like and share. Here are our areas of expertise in the Get Data solution. We provide and create different dashboards. We also create data management and analysis tools, and we are also create data quality improvement, and in this particularly we create system development and developing tracking tool for system tracking, HR data management. We have a number of tools that will actually improve the efficiency of HR data management. We have training package, and we also provide training and consulting services. So our product solve real problem, and what we recommend is use our existing product if it fits your need. Then otherwise you can actually order based on your preference. It could be dashboards, it could be other data management tools or data quality improvement for HR data management. So that is it. Thank you very much, and subscribe to Get Data Solution, and bye bye.